Alright, you guys, so taking a little walk today down through an old bike and walking trail, and everything around here pretty much to be right out my back door. When I lived around here years ago, from the age of like 8 to 18, so 10 years I lived out here and hung out and played in these woods and all kinds of other stuff. So get to this destination in a second. Look at all this bamboo right by this little stream, going all up around the trees. It goes down the stream and hangs over into it. This big tree halfway fell over, and all the bamboo is kind of holding it up, along with another tree in there. There's the deer over there, getting ever so closer to him, or her, more than likely. There's more. Some really cool tall grass here. I don't know, grass, a plant? Some kind of really tall plant. It's up to my knees. Well, above my knees, really. But, definitely pretty cool looking. Thick and deep. What about where the edge is here? See some deer crossing down here. Deer tracks. Just seen all those deers over there, like 3 of them. Family feeding some geese. There's gotta be at least like 20 of them over there. Shopping cart. Now here's an overview of where I came walking out of from over here, up following that stream. Takes you back by the bamboo. What this little area is like it's a drainage. It's like runoff for surrounding areas. There's a shopping center up over there and a few high-rise buildings over this way, and there's neighborhoods, single-family homes back on the other side of all these woods, and I guess it all runs into here. It's been here since I was a kid. Basically kind of works. Everything from over there comes down to this stream here. This comes from over on that side, the shopping center and apartment buildings, and then oh, a tree just fell. Oh my gosh, I think I got that on camera. That was awesome. Then oh, a tree just fell. Good thing I wasn't over there. But yeah, and then when it overflows into this thing. I guess maybe it's kind of like a French drain or something you could call it, or just at least I guess it is a French drain, because there's more of these crates, fence wire crates all out there, and so when it runs off, it runs over into this field and it gets all sucked up. But he's come out here and hang out and play, chill, do young guy stuff, and we actually unbolted the grates on this thing before and went down in it, and we're finding and catching crawdads. And if you look right there, it's a lot of folks a little too far away with that gray speck in the center. It's actually a blue herring hanging out, probably looking for frogs and insects or something. I don't think there's any fish in here. And all these Canadian geese have been here a while. They've always been here, as I remember. But it looks like a lot of the trees have been dying out and falling over. We just seen the one, if I caught that on video, and I think I did. But it doesn't look too much different. They have been, I think they came out here and did some kind of work, or we're going to be doing some kind of work, so it kind of prompted me to want to come out here and check this place out a little bit more, because there's actually a structure back here. I heard mixed stories about what's really had gone on back here, what all this was. Someone said something about a hotel, but no structure back here I've ever seen was big enough to be considered like a hotel. But there is a concrete wall here. Just kind of looks thrown together with a lot of rocks and mixed in with the concrete. I don't really know what all this was at one point in time. Yeah, I found what looks like some terracotta drain pipe. I don't know. Yep. Really old Coca-Cola machine here. It's pretty cool. Ice cold. Wouldn't be too bad to have an ice cold Coke right now. It's pretty neat. Oh man. Some kind of animal living here. It's like a fox. Something maybe. I don't want to get too close. Yeah. Yes, probably. I'd say fox den or something. Well, you know for sure. Well, give me an ice cold Coke. Tell me for sure. I say probably fox. These tables that have been built out here. Also, these are further away. I don't know who put them there, why they put them there, but they did. There's also a chair out here made out of stone. I don't think this is it, is it? Yeah, this is. It's a little chair. It's made out of stones and brick tile. It's pretty cool. It's out here in the woods chilling. It's always been here. This old guy. I used to come to this fence and talk to him. I guess he still lives here because there's still pigeons. But he's pigeons, and he used to train hawks. But I don't see a hawk this year in his yard. Maybe it's not the right time of year. Here they come, boys. Just telling them to eat. There they go. Oh, she's feeding them rice. She's about to take some pictures too. A little mallard duck in the mix. The freaking crow. See ya.